In this video, I'll show you how to link TikTok with Payoneer. First, the exact steps can vary depending on which TikTok monetization feature you're using, but the general idea is the same. You open your TikTok payout settings, add a payout method, and then connect your Payoneer account. Payoneer has an official page specifically for TikTok live creators, and it says Payoneer is available as a payout option for TikTok live creators in more than 120 countries. To do it, open TikTok and go to the part of your account where you manage earnings or payouts. If you already added a payout method before, TikTok One's payout guide says your current method may show as the default, and you can choose to add a new one if you want a different method. Then select Payoneer if it appears in your available payout options, and follow the on-screen steps to sign in to your Payoneer account, or create one if needed. Payoneer's TikTok live page says creators can link their account and start receiving earnings through Payoneer. One important thing to remember is that Payoneer availability depends on your country and the TikTok program you're using. TikTok's own rewards help page shows that payout methods can differ by location, and in at least some regions, TikTok offers different payout options, such as Payoneer or bank transfer. So the simple process is, open your TikTok payout settings, add or change your payout method, choose Payoneer if it's available, and complete the account linking steps. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.